I have not been on the YouTube for a while, but here I am trying to start the YouTube game again because it is my first love. Maybe it is my true love, we'll see. We are going to Minneapolis! So we are making...
Open this.
Oh, he can't open it. We have our little butane stove and we have our oatmeal moment. And we have this difficult to open muscle milk. Show them muscles, mommy. Okay. I think we're starting to shed layers. You know, we're at that inconsistent temperature time in the Midwest, so first you're cold and then you're warm, baby. Like, this is so...
You're always cold.
I did not need to be attacked this early.
There's ducks.
Duckies! This is such a beautiful moment. I'm so...
You're just blurry.
It's okay,
You're just
fine.
filming directly at the sun.
Because it's aesthetic! Just kidding.
Duckies. I don't know where the fuck we're at. Where are we?
We are currently in, I think it's Menominee, Wisconsin. I think. Sometimes we just don't know where we are, but we just go where the road takes us, right, Queen?
Basically.
Yeah. And the road took us here. Hallelujah! Are you kidding me with this super aesthetic breakfast moment? We're about to get a wet butt eating this breakfast aesthetically. Is it worth it? Oh, see, now he's smart. He has the right ideas. Me, I'm just gonna go all in. Let's do our daily stretches and affirmations. We are beautiful, we are strong, we are confident, and we are worthy. Repeat after me. We are beautiful, we are strong, we are worthy.
We're beautiful.
Strong. Worthy.
Worthy.
Confident.
Don't have that.
No, that's why we're doing the affirmations. I don't have it either. If we keep doing the affirmations, we will. Let me just get the morning zoomies out real quick as one does.
Eventually.
Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Not me.
There's a big door. Holy crap.
Oh my god, wait. No, that's actually what we looked like on the roller coaster.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my god, that looked terrible. Yeah, we went on that.
it was truly an out-of-body experience. It really was. T-minus 1 hour until I see Tyler, Joseph, and Justin! And this is what I'm wearing. My boobs may pop out at some point. Unfortunately, I did not make sure that this outfit would be okay. Oh, but we're in Minneapolis. It took literally an hour to find parking, and I was freaking out the entire time, but we found a parking spot, luckily. And people are excited. We have made it. Yep. Are you gonna show your look?
Oh.
You wanna show your look? Okay. And here's Noe's look.
This is my look. Ready for 21 Pilots.
Yee yee!
Oh, should I just like twit? I don't know.
Yes! don't want to get out. It's cold.
It is really cold outside. It's not even funny. I hate it.
It's 49 degrees, but feels like 43 according to Google. Why? Why?
Oh, did you hear those cracks?
Yeah.
I don't know if the camera heard. Oh.
We're cracking. We're up past our bedtime. 1 a.m. Party girls.
Not that bad of a concert.
What'd you say?
I said it's not that bad of a concert.
Not that bad. It was amazing. It was heavenly, out of body experience.
Oh, definitely.
I think I said that about the roller coaster though too. So I don't. I don't know. Everything's an out of body experience
Guess
for me
so.
this weekend. I just farted. Okay, we just have to get there. I'm gonna try the coffee. I got Madagascar vanilla, homemade syrup, my favorite. Mucho calor. Caliente. Mucho caliente, but mucho delicioso. Why can it not focus?
What?
Try your tea.
Oh. That's not good.
Kind
It's too
of
hot to
good.
try it.
That's very good though. Very bus. Very bus indeed. I guess there's a waterfall in Minneapolis. So we're about to go see it. Here's the fit that doesn't match. I was so cold that this is what we got. This is what we're working with. I got my jacket, my shawl, and my sleigh.
Showing off the fit.
The fit. Oh, yes. Oh, get those glutes up.
Alright, let's go. Let's go see the waterfall. Are you done?
That really warmed me up, so I'm gonna...
Okay.
This is not the waterfall yet. You know, for city water, it's not as dirty as I thought it would be.
No?
I mean, usually it's pretty gnarly. You can see the rocks at the bottom. That you cannot do in Milwaukee.
Yeah. Oh, it's fun at your titties, sorry.
Beautiful. I love the people like taking pictures here as if they've never seen any other nature before.
Oh, really?
I just find that hilarious.
This is nothing.
Nature!
Want to see nature? Come with us.
Should I take my Instagram photo here? Oh, Viva
Cool.
Mexico! We back! It's actually a massive waterfall. No, he says there's a mushroom up there, so that makes me want to go see the mushroom.
Okay, Haley, let's go. Where was it? It's down. It has to be down. There it is.
Oh, that's a big boy!
Are you okay? Yeah, you can't even touch it.
I touched it.
Alright, let's go.
of course, we are naturally nature girlies, so even despite being in the city, we have found a way to find all of the best nature spots. We are here at the MISSISSIPI River, and if you... Yes, because just in case you guys wanted to know how to spell it, that is how you spell it. That spells Mississippi, babes.
You've been saying that for the last minute.
I thought the sun was about to come out. I thought I was about to have a moment. Watch her eat. Watch her cook. Watch her cook. No? Not down to get jiggy?
I hope I did that right. Can't even see you. It's too dark in here.
Back to the warmth. Wow, that temperature dropped dramatically. Apparently it's 50 degrees outside, but I'm not buying it because we saw flakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a free sub, guys.
Free sub?
A free sub. I should have a free sub. What kind of sub do you want?
What kind of sub I want?
You want a hot specialty?
Yes.
What kind of meat?
I want all the meat.
All the meat? Oh. For real or?
No. Yes, all the fucking meat. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
It's true. Now what kind of sub do you want? 'Cause I'm hungry. Look guys, I'm just gonna put you on to something. Firehouse Subs is unmatched in my opinion. Okay? I have not found anywhere that serves anything close to what their veggie sub is. Oh my god. Oh, let's open her up.
Oh,
they gave me a pickle too, I don't want it. I said no pickle! Anyways, besides the fact that they never listen about my pickle requests.
They never do.
They never listen to my pickle requests.
We don't want the pickle, but like... No.
Subway? Trash. What else have I tried? Jimmy John's? Freaking trash to the max. I mean, this, if you're looking for a warm veggie sub, I present to you the one and only. Oh, it's so good. This time I added black olives and banana peppers for some extra flavor. Because that's who I am. A flavorful gal. But I do not want to film myself eating a sandwich.
It's so violently windy.
It is. Oh my gosh.
I don't know if you can hear that. It's like blowing so hard that you can hear it.
Mm-hmm.
So let's stay quiet. I don't know if they can hear that.
You gotta get quieter.
Yeah. Of course, like stops when we're trying to listen.
My sandwich almost fell.
Oh, did you hear that one?
I mean, I heard it.
Oh.
Yeah, we've been going like this all the way home. The wind's been blowing us all over. We're all in the Prius, so to and fro.
Okay.
Okay.
Ow, I'm not.